How was your birthday, which was really yesterday?
Excellent, lovely.
Did you? I saw a picture that your son put on social media of you in the allotment.
Oh no, that was that was taken some while back, actually, a few weeks ago. No,
Oh,
what we did yesterday was cycling.
oh, you're cycling. Okay.
Cycling.
You're
Seven of
physically
us went
fit.
cycling on our bikes up the River Lee. It was very nice. A lot of us, my sons and so on.
7 of you.
Yes, I've got 3 sons and Laura, and then my
Wow.
grandson came as well. Laura, my wife, that is.
Well, that's fantastic.